this is actually really cool, what's in this trailer, because it's something that I owned 38 years ago. And I actually built this trailer probably 33 or 4 or 5 years ago too. So yeah, we'll show you what's in it and how junky it is right now, but I'm gonna redo this bad boy. My very first front engine dragster. And I'll show you some old pictures of it when I used to run it with alcohol injected motor in it. And it's looking a little worse for wear because the guy's not the neatest apparently. But it's been around the country and back, and now it's mine again. And I'm really quite excited about it. And I want to kind of do it up so it's like super nice. So watch as we unload this thing. And but yeah, going in the showroom here, and maybe I'll be able to pick away at it over the winter time. I wasn't going to do anything like this again, but where's that stand at, Brady? Do you know? I've seen it somewhere. The phone stand? It's in here? Okay. Back looking for the phone stand. There you are. Okay, so we'll let you guys bear with us, and you can watch while we unload this. Attempt to get it into the showroom. Let's drop some. Yeah, watch more. Yeah, it's like a tire strap that they strap around the house. Yeah, because it's supposed to go around the tire. But this guy decided being there a cloud or something. Oh, yeah. Well, that's what watch it. So I'll cover your weight and that left on mine. Huh? Small. What? Oh, yeah. If they're using these, I think underneath the middle of the trailer and the bottom one must have the ground. Pressure on it. Yeah, that's what they usually don't take much. So. No, I didn't think so. No, they usually only take like 6 pounds or something. Yeah, so yeah, you don't need it. Too low? I guess, yeah, maybe. It was about like 2.2 and then it kind of fell. Watch that lid though. Lana would have seen that car. Oh, no snow. It's a top secret. Sometimes what we do in Vegas stays in Vegas. This is Vegas right now. Vegas Fox, Vegas? Better watch what it's talking about that. Camera's on. Vegas Fox. Got the weight, Dallas. I know, that wasn't mine. Maybe about that. I had that over here. I had it over here. One must have built it over the top. You're both pretty good here. No, it goes all down the side. I was looking at that. That was tough. Yep. It's got all kind of external steering rods. Yeah, I'll just take the wood out back here. I don't think we can go up there. So we might have to see if we can lift it a bit and pull that wood up. What's that rack they got there? We might have to deal with that door open, but you might get by it. You know what I mean? Yeah. 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 No, I didn't say that. No, I said there was a motor in both of them. But there was not much of a motor in this one. Yeah. They were running like that. Okay, well, we should just push it ahead a little bit. Okay, I'll slide this wood up. Okay, try that. I'll do it. Alright, so hit the pipe right now. Yeah, we need a little more wood. Oh, that tire needs to be pumped up more. Yeah, pump that tire. Huh? I'll show you some pictures when he has all done. He's got the car wheeling in and looks real good with new brand. Yeah. Still got the same old rims on the back, yeah? Well, they look like they need a good scrubbing, right? Yeah, it's called the marker. Yeah. Well, they don't have it on right now. He had it all apart.
None of these guys know how to follow the rules. Don't cut the blade and have it stop down for us or something over.
Yeah, well, you don't have to have an aftermarket damper on this if you're running not as quick as 650.
It's just stupid.
Huh?
I just think it's stupid.
Oh, I would do it. I was reading the rule book, and yeah, no, you don't. So I was kind of like, if you don't run quicker than 650, there's so many rules you can get away with. 650.
$50.
Yeah. So you can get that board. Okay, so now we got to jack it out. And put the
We rebuilt it down in the high school.
Which is VW or what?
Yeah.
And we made a new one on the sucker rod.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So Oxley made one for us.
Are we gonna go all the way back as much as we can here?
Yeah, as soon as we get these on, then we can shuffle it around however we want. We should be able to pick up the front end.
Now you spline the ends, fit in, and then save the shaft, taper it so it has torsion, and then you put it in the lathe and heat treated it.
Yeah. Yeah, you've been kind of bang up the job.
You know, when it was spinning between the centers, he just had the big torch out, and he got it so cast red hot to the point where it was actually starting to sag.
Yeah.
Out spun, and then he went back and did it, and then so it's heat treated, so it has the
Now, the couple of us to lift the front end, I'm going to have you swing the ass end in first.
Oh, where are you gonna go with the
We'll
front
walk
end?
out with
Do we
this.
need to move the truck and trailer?
I don't think so. I think we can just walk over here. Should give us enough room. We can pick this up. Yeah. Just walk up, yeah.
vegan power you're using right now.
Yeah, it's them burgers, man. Them burgers. Just shove it down towards the window. There.